In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of the background in an image using Canva, and the best part is it will only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're creating graphics for a presentation or refreshing your social media, this is a handy skill to have. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to go to Canva's website at canva.com. On the upper right corner, you'll spot the login button. Click on that and then simply enter your credentials. If logging in with traditional credentials isn't your thing, you can also use your Google or Facebook account to get access quickly. Once you're in, get ready to unleash your creativity. Now that you've successfully logged in, let's get your image ready. You can choose to create a new design right from scratch, or if you have something already in progress, you can open that as well. To start working with your image, go ahead and upload it to your project area. This can be done easily by either dragging and dropping, or by clicking the upload button to bring your photo into your Canva workspace. Once your image is uploaded, the next step is selecting the image you want to edit from your design canvas. With your image highlighted, your eyes should now look towards the toolbar. Here you're going to see an option marked Edit Image. Clicking on this will open up a suite of editing tools for you to explore. Next, you're coming across one of Canva's most powerful tools, the Background Remover. It's often nestled within the editing options. By choosing this, Canva will intelligently work on your image to remove the background. It usually does a good job, but you might want to review the image closely to ensure it meets your expectations. Now, if you're satisfied with how the background removal looks, be sure to hit Apply. This will confirm the changes and incorporate them into your design. On the other hand, if something's not quite right, simply click on Restore to undo any alterations and start over. It's all about experimenting and honing in on what suits your vision. The last step is to download your newly edited image. Usually saving it as a PNG is the way to go if you want to maintain a transparent background. However, if your needs are different, you have the flexibility to choose another file format that fits your project requirements. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've managed to remove a background effortlessly using Canva. Keep experimenting and exploring the numerous options Canva offers to take your designs to the next level. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!